Let me ask you something. How would you like to turn $1,000 into over $500,000 in less than 10 years? Or $10,000 into over $1 million in less than 8 years? Or how about $50,000 into over $2 million in less than 5 years? This may sound crazy, but I'll prove to you it works. Well, it's all possible by doing the same thing that banks, investment firms, and the super wealthy have been doing for years with your money. You know, people like Warren Buffett. So how do you do this? What's the secret that you don't know? It's called the power of compounding. Even Albert Einstein said the most powerful force in the universe is compound interest. Don't believe me? Let me show you some proof. Chris Pina turned $5,990 to $9,829 in less than 7 months and says, "Thank you for the opportunity to make these high returns every single month. I'm up over 66% in less than 7 months already." And Tony McPeck turned $2,084 into $3,978 in less than 1 year. Wow, in less than 1 year my account grew to almost 106%. Below is my account details. Thank you for this incredible opportunity. And Chris Sava turned $52,500 to $80,837 in less than 9 months. And he says, "My mom and I would like to thank you for introducing us to this powerful software. You guys really changed her life. We deposited a total of $52,500 on September 18th, 2017 and made a massive profit of 62% in 9 months. That's crazy. We are looking forward to 2018 and beyond." Before I show you more proof and tell you more about this secret strategy, let me tell you about who we are and what we did. My partner and I had been investing for over 30 years in the markets. We had our own financial advisors to point us in the best direction for our investment portfolios. We earned some high annual returns over that period, or what we thought was a high return at that time, about 8% annually on average. But what happened next was both scary and eye-opening. The crash of 2008. The market simply went crazy and dropped hard and fast. We wanted to liquidate our accounts, but our financial advisors were telling us to keep our money in there and ride out the storm. Well, at the end of it all, we lost over $300,000 like many others out there. We felt devastated and defeated. We knew to recover from those losses would take years, only to hope it would never happen again. About 18 years to be exact, based on the returns that we were earning at that time, if that was even possible anymore. As far as myself at a younger age of 32 at the time, 18 years was still doable. But what about my partner Vince? At 50 years old, 18 years wouldn't work, just to get back to where he started. What we found out next stunned us. Financial advisors and stockbrokers are not your friend. They sell products to you that they don't even understand most of the time, just to make a commission on it. The more you invest with them on their next great idea, the more they make. It's that simple. And you can't listen to people like Jim Cramer or these other so-called gurus. They like to pump up a stock price by telling the whole world about it, then dump their shares as it rises, only for the stock to crash again sometime in the near future. And if you're listening to your friends and family on the next greatest investment tip, you're almost guaranteed to lose money. They are probably listening to other people, social media, or maybe heard it from one of these other so-called gurus out there. The fact is, once a stock or currency has any public announcement on it, it's already too late. It's old news. Professional traders don't ride trends. They hedge risk. They don't hope and pray that a price will fall or rise. We had to figure out a better way, and we did. We knew there was a way to make a lot of money in the markets, but we had to figure out how the professionals were making their money and why the crash of 2008 didn't destroy their accounts like it did to ours. We knew that we had to be on the inside track somehow. So we decided to build a super team of customized code writers, mathematicians, and professional traders to help develop the same type of technology that these large firms use every single day. But during the development stage, we faced a huge problem. Most of these technologies used by these large funds only work on accounts that are into the millions. We had to find a way to develop the same type of technology that they use, but ours has to profit the same way on a $1,000 account as it would on a $1 million account. And we did it. We figured it out. Thus, Investx was born. It took us over 4 years to perfect our technology and well over $2 million to build. Once our professional beta testers used it for a couple of years, we knew it was going to be a home run. They were averaging about 74% annually with minimal risk. Our goal at first was to speed up our financial recovery opposed to traditional investing and protect us from such losses again. In 2013, we were asked to co-author a book with Steve Forbes called Successonomics, and were then asked to keynote a speech with him in Times Square, New York City, as you can see from the pictures below. After that, we were aired on ABC, NBC, CBS, and Fox affiliates. We were then asked to bring it to the public for others to benefit. So here we are today. In just a minute, you'll discover how you can earn these substantial returns and profit almost every single day the market is open. See, most people try to predict which direction the market will move. This is why 82% of investors lose money on their investments. You're about to discover a way to invest your hard-earned money so you can profit like the big banks, investment firms, and the super wealthy do while almost eliminating the risks involved. Don't believe me? Look up arbitrage trading profits on Google and you will see this is the facts. A banker once told us, banks have big buildings and people like you and I live in little houses because of arbitrage trading. Warren Buffett is an admitted arbitrager. This sophisticated trading strategy is nothing new. Morgan Stanley popularized it over 80 years ago, and it's been the recommended trading strategy amongst most professional hedge funds to date. This strategy, when done right, can almost eliminate the risk in the market by taking what we call a market neutral position. Let me explain this strategy in simple terms. We will take two similar assets like Coke and Pepsi. Coke and Pepsi are in the same sector, the beverage sector. They move both in tandem together. If one is going up, the other will follow, or opposite. When an event or some type of news announcement is made public, these assets will move apart from their mean average for a particular amount of time until they converge again sometime in the near future. This is what we call divergence. They move apart. And convergence, they come back together. We place a hedge trade on both assets at the same time, buying the one that went down too low and selling the one that went up too high during this news announcement. Once they converge back together, we close both positions for a guaranteed profit. The same happens for currencies. The USD and the Euro will move in tandem. Then some type of financial news will split them apart for a particular amount of time until they converge again in the near future. We will buy the undervalued currency and sell the overvalued currency until they converge, then close both positions for a profit. Here's an example of a screenshot we took. As you can see from the left, the two lines moving down, these two currencies are moving down in a downtrend together. Then you can see the two arrows. Once these pairs diverged from their mean averages, we placed a sell trade on the top currency pair and a buy trade on the bottom currency pair. After that, we waited a short time until both pairs came back together for us to make a guaranteed profit. This is called convergence. This looks a lot easier than it is. You need a sophisticated trading algorithm to tell you when the best time to enter and exit the trades are to ensure you profit. So why do we trade currencies? Currencies currencies are more elastic. They diverge and converge more often than stocks do, and there's more opportunities to trade, thus more profits to earn. Also, the stock market trades at about $600 billion a day. This may seem like a lot, but it's peanuts compared to the currency market at over $5 trillion a day. This is why most institutional traders trade currencies. This strategy cannot be traded manually. It requires scanning the markets every minute, 24/5, for the best entries to make the most from your investments. To put this into perspective, the average active investor will place about 20 to 40 trades per year. We average over 3,000 trades per year. By placing many small hedge trades and earning a small profit on each, your account will grow at a steady, low risk, high rate of return each year. I'll show you what our technology looks like now, so you know what I'm saying is the absolute truth. Here's a screenshot of what our arbitrage trading software looks like. You can see on the left, this account started in June of 2016. This account earned a massive profit of 497% in less than 3 years with minimal risk. As a matter of fact, the risk was less than 0.5% on average per trade. This account started with a deposit of $2.2 million. Right now, it's over $13 million. That's over $11 million in profit in less than 3 years. But don't worry. You don't have to know how to trade or how this strategy works to join our high yield investment community. As a matter of fact, you don't even have to know how to turn on a computer to start earning these high returns. We do all the trading for you using our sophisticated trading technology, and our team watches over your account 24/5 to ensure you profit. And the best part is, if we don't profit, you don't pay us. How's that for confidence? Want some more proof? Francis Pierre turned $59,500 to $89,880 in less than 10 months. My partner and I have extensive knowledge on real estate investing and economics. I have to say this beats any real estate deal I have done. I flipped more profit in the past 10 months than I have in the past 2 years with real estate. Thanks, guys. Ryan Burr turned $2,040 into $3,318 in less than 9 months. As a contractor for the past 15 years and working hard to earn money, I now realize the easy way to earn profits and build a solid future. Thanks for helping me get started. I can't believe I earned over 76% this year. And Nick turned $1,103 into $1,752 in less than 8 months. I am 32 years old. I'm an electrical contractor working with my father, and I know that I need a solid retirement for myself in the future. I started small, however. I will be depositing more money soon. My results have been enough to convince me. Eugene turned $25,073 into $36,299 in less than 5 months. John and Vince earned me over 44% in less than 5 months. I am floored and speechless. And how about Mike Notch? Turned $5,027 into $7,903 in less than 7 months. After extensive research in this strategy, I decided to give it a shot. It was worth every penny, over 57% in less than 7 months. Amazing results. So what are you waiting for? Whether you're looking for passive income, building a retirement account, or just want to make a lot of money from your investments, then this is for you. So you must be asking yourself by now, so what does it cost for you to be part of our high yield investment program to earn these super high returns every year? Don't worry, we wouldn't expect you to pay millions like we paid to build it. So what's the price you can put on money that will ensure someone's future? Is it $50,000? Or $25,000? Maybe $10,000? How about if we just split the profits that we earn you? You just put up the funds and let us handle all the trading. And the best part is, we only make money if you do. If you don't get paid, neither do we. We will also help you set up your own brokerage account using a third-party trusted currency broker. Manage your trading account every single day the market is open. Oversee your account 24/5 to ensure you're earning the highest returns possible. Not only that, but you'll be able to have immediate access to your funds at any time. Just request a transfer from the broker and your money will be sent right back to you. There is also no withdrawal penalty fees. Plus, you will get daily and monthly statements so you know what your account is doing at all times. So what do you have to lose? Absolutely nothing. Get started today and partner with professional investors that will guarantee your future. So visit our website, fxmoneymanager.com right now to get started and start earning the high returns that you deserve. Thank you very much, and we hope to hear from you soon.